Good afternoon, viewers. Hope you are well and have an amazing day. It's Monday, July 18th, 2022. It's around 5 pm and the temperature is 31 degrees centigrade here in Yangon, Myanmar. Now I am walking across New University Avenue Road in Bahan Township in Yangon. Let's walk. It is one of the most developed neighborhood in this city. Most of elite class people live in this area. The road is neat and clean and well organized. Vehicles are moving across the road, maintaining the traffic rules and regulation. There are some palm trees in a row beside the road. Quite cloudy atmosphere now. On the left side, this is car sale center. You can get various kinds of car here. This is a car sale center named GPM Car Sale Center. Hello Minglaba.
Yeah.
You sell car, right?
Yeah.
Is it brand new or
A brand new or a used?
used? Okay. How much your price range? Minimum
Minimum is 300 lakh.
300 lakh. Is it from China or Japan?
Japan, Hyundai.
Or Japan?
Yeah.
Okay.
Japan, Korea.
Okay. This car how much
Latest.
price? This latest.
This is latest.
Okay. How much this one?
2280 lakh.
2280
lakh.
lakh. Okay. Nice. Very nice. Thank you.
Yeah, you are welcome.
So these were a car sale center in this neighborhood. People are coming here to buy car, private car. Motorbikes are not allowed in Yangon city. That's why you can see lots of vehicles in Yangon. Some bicycles are moving ahead. Over there, that is ice cream sandwich stall. You can get ice cream sandwich here. There are lots of green plants beside the road. While walking across this road, you can see lots of shops beside the road. Most of foreigners also live in this township. On the right side, that is KBZ Bank branch. Over there, that is a private hospital named Kembagan UHC Hospital. Over there, that is a business center named Cooperative Business Center. The neighborhood is well organized and developed. Modern facilities are available in this township. On the left side, this is a Japanese restaurant named Dining Fukurao. This is the entrance of the Japanese restaurant. Is it Japanese restaurant? Japanese?
restaurant, yes.
This way?
Yes,
Can I see? Okay. Only Japanese, right?
Yes, only Japanese food.
Is it authentic?
Huh?
Authentic Japanese?
Yes.
Authentic. Can I see? Sushi.
So
Sushi.
here is the main dish, not sushi. Here's
Okay, I see. You show me. I can.
fish again.
Oh, okay. Is there Japanese people here or Burmese?
Coming here, Japanese.
Owner is Japanese, right? Oh, owner Japanese. Okay.
Huh? Oh no, it's Burmese.
Oh, Burmese.
Yes.
Okay, okay. But chef is Japanese, right? Michinoku. Okay. Can I see the menu? And what is also this is the inside atmosphere of Japanese restaurant. Okay. What is
this
it?
Japanese sake, Japanese alcohol.
Oh, Japanese alcohol.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Japanese sake, Japanese coffee.
Food menu.
Who is here? The sashimi.
Sashimi.
Yes.
8,500.
Fish. This is appetizer, vegetable.
Oh, okay, okay.
Potato salad.
Do you have ramen noodles? Ramen?
Of course.
Which one? Is it authentic ramen?
Yes.
Oh.
Ramen.
Okay, okay.
This is the
Chashu
chicken.
ramen.
This is the pork belly.
Oh, pork belly.
Pork belly, chicken
Chicken.
meat.
9,500.
Yes.
Price is quite high. Because because
That
Japanese
is the
saba
saba
or fish.
fish.
Okay, okay. Okay, and sushi?
Sushi. I thought sushi is not our normal dish.
Oh, sushi
like
is
it.
2 piece,
Sushi is
2000.
study now.
Salmon roll, 8,500.
Yes. Study now that the full item.
Oh, okay.
Roll is full
So
item.
when
seven
this
item.
restaurant open daily and close?
11.
11 a.m.
11 to 9:30.
9:30.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Every day open or
Every day open.
Sunday? Oh, okay. Every day
Sunday
open.
also open.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I will check later on. Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you for time. So this was Japanese restaurant. You can get various kinds of Japanese cuisine here. You can also get some drinks in this restaurant. Now I am exiting the restaurant. On the right side, this is a street food stall. That's it from today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.